You're acting cute, so we gotta do some video. Oh, look at this guy. He just got here. He just got here a couple of days ago. Look how friendly he is. His name is Louie. I don't know anything about him yet. We'll have to look it up and we'll find out, but he looks like a fairly young male cat. He's gorgeous. He's got, whoops! He's got, like gray tabby, and then he's got white feet, and white nose. Yes, he does, like a little white mask. Hello! I mean, I literally just let him out of his cage like a couple of minutes ago. Look at that belly. Look at that belly. And look at him. Look at him. He's so sweet. He's got a pink nose. Look at that pink nose. Show him your pink nose. See, look, I got a beautiful pink nose. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Yeah, he's just really outgoing, friendly. Mostly since I've let him out, he's been kind of sniffing around because he just got here. And I believe he still has to be neutered. But he will be ready very soon to go home. Or you could just take him now. But he's just gorgeous. He's got the beautiful gray tabby with white, all 4 white feet. An adorable face. Lots of personality with this guy. This guy is a lot of fun. He's one of them fun guys. Right out of the box, you get a fun cat. Right out of the box, you get a fun cat. Oh, I love him. You are so fun. You are. So if you want a really nice, friendly male cat with lots of personality and is going to make you laugh, look at him. Look at this guy. He's just so sweet. And you got to get Louie here. He is adorable. He is adorable. I got to get some pictures of you now. Okay, everybody. Come and adopt Louie. You'll love him.